Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to access my Canvas page as well as your email. So you're going to go to the EMS website, right up there at the top is the link, and from here you're going to click on Students. Now scroll down until you find Single Sign-On Portal and click on that one. From here you're going to use your school information to log in, and it should take you to something that looks a little bit like this. Yours probably looks slightly different. Well, here's where you would access Canvas, and if you need to know how to get to your email, that's whenever you would click on this Office 365 icon. And from there, Outlook is where you would find your emails. So we're going to go through here and go to my Canvas page. And I'm going to put this on student view so you will see exactly what it's supposed to look like. So in order to access my assignments, please do not click on this link right over here to the left. That's just going to take you to the page where you are supposed to submit your assignments. I want you to scroll down and find the calendar that matches up with our current week. Right now, this is the week of March 30th through April 3rd, and you would click the link right next to it. Now, I did give you a copy of the one-page distance learning. That's just a summary of everything you are supposed to do this week. And you do have 3 parts to your assignment this week. You need to watch my PowerPoint. If you can't access it, then use this link as a PDF. You're going to complete the Parabola Key Features activity, so let me show you how that would look. If you click on it, you have 2 attempts, so you can do it more than once. Let's go ahead and go to see what it would look like. Now, whenever it says which of the following is a y-intercept of the graph, you would select your answer and then go next. Now I'm going to go ahead and click out of here. Let's see, return. Okay, so home page. We want to be right here with our calendar. Now, I did tell you part 3 is to create a one-pager on quadratic functions and upload a picture of it here. It's all right if you already did a one-pager over quadratic functions for the first week. I want you to go ahead and redo it this week. Make sure that you have all of the information below for your one-pager. You are not just supposed to pick any random quadratics. You are going to use one of these quadratic equations and then do all of this. Now, put your border, your title, your illustration, and then a hashtag. Now, here's an example of one of them. Do not use the exact same example or you will not get credit. Also, TI is offering a free 6-month license on the TI-84 calculators, so you can use this link to download that. Okay. So, whenever you are finished with your one-pager, I would take a picture of it and then go here, one-pager on quadratic functions. Okay, so we're going to submit our assignment, and it says File Upload. So this is where you would go to your computer and look for some pages to figure out which one you're supposed to upload. Hit Open, and then you can just hit Submit Assignment. Please let me know if you are still having any troubles.